Okay, I will be sharing my week 4 scenario assignment. And the first thing is to find out when the last time all of my databases were backed up. And I'm highlighting my query for that investigation. And I will now run the query. And we can see that there is no backup whatsoever for these databases. I would now proceed to show um, the query for my databases. There are 8 databases to back up, and these are the queries for them. Bowling league example, entertainment, recipe example, sales order example, sample test, school, and um, worldwide importers. So highlighting all of those, I'll go ahead to run those queries. We should start seeing the results coming out. There we go. And so let's go through the results. And we can see that the worldwide importers database is the last one. There are no error messages in this backup that we have done right now. In show 3, we are required to restore the bowling base as bowling test and to change the internal file name. This is the query by which I did that. And if we go into the local database, we will see that bowling test has been restored. The same file also were to upload to the cloud and then restore it as bowling in my name, my surname Akindileni, bowling development. Again, this is the query to accomplish that. And if we look under the databases on the cloud instance, we will see Akindileni bowling database there. Okay, I'll proceed to do show 4, wherein we are required to use the BCP function. Go ahead and copy the BCP function here. I can't copy it yet. Okay, I'm copying the bowler scores out into the bowler scores text file. And we can see that 1,344 rows has been copied. Go over to the second screen and okay, and we select. We can see we have the 134 there. I'll go ahead and repeat the same command to out it for the bowlers file, and also copy it to the bowlers text file. You can see the 32 rows have been copied. We go back and count there, and we have 32 rows. Show the files, go into here, and we can see the two files right here. You can see these two files that we have copied. Okay, now we are required to delete all the rows in these files. So I would go ahead and do that of boolean score, sorry. We have 152 rows affected. If I go ahead and run the count that we did earlier on, and we can see that there is no rows listed. We go ahead and delete from bowler's file. That's 2 rows affected, and we go ahead again and do the count for bowlers right there, and we again see that there is nothing there. We go back here and we try to restore the files. In this case, I'm going to restore the bowler's file first, and I'll just go in there and change that to an in. I get this error. I've not been working it for long, but I can see 32 rows copied. I've been working on it for days. I can't seem to find the solution. I've posted it also on Teams. But 32 rows were copied anyway. I'll go now to copy back um, the table for the bowler scores. And I'll do the same thing. I'll go and do an in. And we have 1/3. This works perfectly fine. I cannot understand why the other one doesn't. So I've copied the two files back. If we go back to our left window and I do a count on bowlers, we have 32 rows. If I also go back to the bowler scores and do a count on bowler scores, we have 134 rows. And so this concludes my scenario for week 4. Thank you.